Hello guys. This is Alan here, and we are playing this pretty cool game. I actually like it. It's Subway Surfers. It's really fun. So let's get into it. Well, I started like 3 days ago. No, like a week ago or two. I'm actually not that bad at it. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but if you can't, well then I'll be pretty sad. This is so fun, like, it's so tricky for your fingers and everything. Oh! Jeez. What's this? Please be something. Oh yes. Every coin I get double. Whoa! And get one more coin. Or thing. I know guys, it's a waste because I just died. Wow. What's the prize? Oh yeah, boys. I don't know how long is this going to be, but yeah, that's okay guys. Why am I so good when I don't record? And look at my highest score. Wait, where is? Oh, here I am. Up here. Me. Me. Why am I a girl anyway? Jeez. Guys, if you hear my hamster, don't mind it. It's literally on my shoulder. And I got a new cage. It's massive. I'll show you it when I die. Ooh. Actually, I won't show you because, I don't know, it's too late to edit it in. I didn't even mean to jump there. But anyways. Guys, comment down below if this is a long video, because I just want to know. What? What? Oh my god. Okay guys, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and peace.